So the latest community of traders report out of the CFTC, with all that's happening on the crypto front, I thought I'd include Bitcoin and larger speculative traders holding a majority short bias. It's been a pretty consistent theme, opposite that of retail traders, which I've included here, holding an extreme long bias. That move up to $10,000 clearly in retail traders' favor before getting tested over the weekend with that plummet yesterday morning. Now, when it comes to the remaining crypto majors, we don't have any information out of the COT, but we do have retail sentiment, and you can see that in this case, they're holding a bias even larger than that in Bitcoin. Clearly a case of hold on for dear life with extreme long bias throughout. Now, when it comes to the remaining items on the COT report, we do have oil, and prior to last month's Monday rollover mayhem in the May contract, we had extreme long bias in retail traders as well as larger speculative traders. Since then, that bias has dropped a little bit for larger traders, but when it comes to retail traders, that bias did drop significantly. There were fresh longs that initiated when oil prices were in the single to lower double digits, but when it rose into the lower to mid $20 range, we did see a lot of those fresh longs take profit. What about precious metals? Extreme long bias for gold still at 92%, heavy long the remaining precious metals. And when it comes to indices, a bit conflicting. The majority long NASDAQ, which has been in their favor because of the fact that it's been outperforming and also because of the fact that it's managed to actually be up on the year. But when it comes to consolidated both Dow and S&P 500, they actually increased their short bias. In the case of the Dow, taking up to 70%. Clearly last week's moves not in their favor. When it comes to FX, they remain heavy long in the euro. They've increased their majority short bias in the pound. And when it comes to safe haven currencies, yen and franc, they continue to hold a heavy long bias, anticipating some sort of risk-off moves. But commodity currencies, they continue to remain heavy to the short side for the Canadian, Australian, and New Zealand dollar.